Vamos a la playa.
The ocean brings tides. They come in every side. As they rise on the shore, we think is no more. But as the waters pull back, you see the sand still intact, and in fact, they glisten as they reflect the moon or the sun. The waters pull back into their homeland, the ocean full of commotion, like they can cause some sort of erosion. But in fact, the notion of it is, it's peace. Oh, it's beautiful destruction, some days raging to cut open ice and tear down ships of any size. Like you can't even focus on your life before it's gone. But other days, it's so at peace, you can hardly begin to comprehend that one day the world will end. But from where you are, the ocean almost seems continuous. You see, the world is 71% covered in water. I'm beginning to think it should be called ocean. But you see, the water touches every single continent and island, but still remains one body of water. And that causes a wonder because it's not like Earth is splitting the water in two. And don't get me started on its depths, which is mostly still undiscovered yet. I bet we will never even see half the ocean's beauty. Trenches and caverns that don't even seem to matter in our everyday life. But I say, we the children of God can be seen as the ocean. Because you see, we should always be in constant motion, always in some devotion, and not some kind of silly potion. Like the water, we should spread to every inch of the earth. No matter what the correlation, we must speak to every nation to show them of Jesus Christ's salvation plan for all of us. But while we do this, remember, God perfectly shapes out how much He wants us to go on shore, because He wants us to come back home to the ocean we were made for. Now don't get me wrong, as long as this life on earth goes on, there will be times when we will feel like we don't belong. There will be hard times with sadness and danger, like storms full of anger. Waves form like caves to swallow us in darkness, whirlpools of emotions. But as long as my God lives, trust me when I say, the waters will come down someday. Calm enough when you will hear Jesus say, you may walk on the water and be held in my arms to stay. Even though Christ smiles, because He never left. He was always with us, even though we felt alone. Even when apart from home, and a rainbow shoots out from the clouds because you are home now. So I don't fear the ocean. I respect it. Just like I don't just need Jesus Christ, I accept Him.